What is up, Club Finesse fam? Glad to have you guys here. All right, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do because we post daily recaps here Monday through Friday. On Saturdays and Sundays, I'm going to start doing some market movers for the week. And then we're going to start doing some daily recaps, some psychology in this channel. And also, you guys don't want to miss the alerts we give out, okay? Let's talk about the markets first, okay? What are the markets doing? What happened over the weekend? Okay, we got a stimulus news over the weekend. The House passed the stimulus news. Now, let me show you what we're looking at. We're here on the SPY. And as you can see on the daily chart, this nice big green candle is a bullish sign for me. Only because if it made a very small green candle right below the trend line, I could see this still going down towards that 50-day. Just like on Friday here. On Friday, it started violating that 50-day moving average around that 380 area, 379. And we bounced off of that Monday morning today. And we're here back up at 388, and maybe we can probably push to end the day at 390, okay? Now, what does that mean? Like I said, stimulus news. Stimulus news drove the markets this morning. We tried doing some small caps this morning, and nothing was holding up. The only one that I alerted this morning was ECOR. ECOR has a nice gap up this morning. I'm going to take you to the pre-market hours to show you. Okay, and I'm going to delete this line just to show you what we got here. I'm going to take you pre-market. So look at this nice big green candle. Sell off into the 50-day pre-market, bounced off of that 200-day moving average. And I let members know, I was like, guys, this right here is going to be your support. Okay, this is going to be your support. You want to see it bounce off of this or the 200-day moving average. And it did. It bounced off that 200-day moving average. We gave it some slack around 270, 268. It bounced off, made its way back up right above the 100 and then 50-day. And then what I did was I turned off my pre-market hours. What I did was I drew out my Fibonacci retracement level from the previous close to the high of the day, which was right here in the morning. It finally pulled back around that 350 area, 353, pulled back into the 331 area, and started consolidating on the VWAP. We drew our Fibonacci retracement levels all the way to the high of the day, okay? And this is the number one trade that I wish I got into because I was just short a couple cents into my entry, but I alerted it this morning in our chat, and I have proof to show you guys. So what made me pull the trigger? We drew our Fibonacci retracement levels all the way to the new high of the day, pulled back, started consolidating into VWAP, and I said, okay, this is nice low volume consolidation, okay? Now, the 23.6 fib was very bullish to me and a 38.2, okay? However, it never made it back to that 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. It pulled back into the 23.6 fib. And then I alerted members in chat saying, guys, this thing is holding VWAP. I would wait for the trade line to catch up, and maybe we could see if the trade line could catch up here and maybe get an entry at 304, 310. I had my limit order at 304. One of our members got in at 312. Shout out to Andrew. Good shit, brother. Now, he took this trade at 312. So he got here at around 312, right at the trade line. I said, guys, that's where you guys want to get in at, okay? And then you want to see an increase of volume and then maybe test VWAP again and maybe do a trade line VWAP crossover. However, that did not happen throughout the day. Now it's barely starting to do it. He's still in this trade, I believe. And he took profits right around this 350 and he made 12% off that trade. And I said, guys, that's a really good trade. Good stuff. Now, I think he's holding a very small position. I let him know that, taking a very small position to see if it breaks this previous high. Because now that it's made a new high, you have to redraw your Fibonacci retracement level. 23.6 fib lines up dead even with VWAP and trade line. Okay, we have some low volume pullback consolidation here, and now we're trying to see if we get an increase of volume. It's a really nice steady volume, guys. If you guys see this on the chart, I'm going to take you there. I'm going to show you guys how it works. We can get an increase of volume right there. Okay, nice steady increasing volume. Okay, we want to see it hold VWAP and the Fibonacci retracement level of the 23.6 fib. Draw it from the low of the day to the new high of the day. It's really thick, so let me draw that a little bit thinner. Yeah, it looks like weakness there. So yeah, guys, that was the only trade that we've seen this morning. There's another thing that I want to cover on this video is trading habits. Okay, now trading habits is very crucial when it comes to trading. Okay, you've got to learn and nail this thing down. You got to get it in your head. You got to drill it in there, and you got to understand that trading habits are something that you need to know about. Okay. What do I mean? I mean that a trading habit can be bad or good. Now, a good trading habit is waking up early in the morning before the sun. You gotta beat the sun. You gotta beat the sun up before it wakes up. You have to wake up first. You gotta look at pre-market movers. You gotta determine a game plan. You gotta write it all out in your head and in paper. Do it in paper. I recommend paper only because it's gonna stick to you. So have some sticky notes right next to you. Write down what stocks you like, look at their levels, use your indicators, and understand what exactly you are going to trade. Okay. Now, here's the deal breaker. Okay. None of this is going to work unless you put in the work. Okay. Obviously, there's also bad trading habits that you need to know. Okay. So bad trading habits can also consist of trading too much, getting into a large position all the time, not learning how to read indicators. You get into a trade that only shows 2 buy signals, but you don't use as much as you can of your technical analysis in order to determine what's going to happen with the stock. A bad trading habit could be a bad lifestyle habit, guys. You got to have a really balanced lifestyle in order to do this, guys, to be honest with you. But yeah, these are quick little tips for you guys. I want to keep it short and sweet. If you guys haven't yet, follow our Instagram and join our Discord group. We share our alerts daily, guys. And, we talk about pre-market movers. We want to show you guys how to make profit. All right. Now, Club Finesse should be launching in about the next 4 or 5 months. Hopefully pretty soon. I know you guys have been asking me about it. Don't worry about this. Okay, don't worry about everything that we just talked about. All of this may sound like new language, might sound like an alien language to you, but let me tell you something. You're going to find all of this in our trading courses. All of this. You are going to learn all of this in our trading courses. Okay, guys? So if you are interested, please like the video, subscribe, keep in tune with us, guys, because we got a lot of things coming in. Okay, we got a lot of things coming in for this channel. So make sure you guys subscribe, like the video if you guys liked, and stay safe out there, guys. Peace.